Hi friends, welcome. This is the part for which we have to write milling part program. Here friends, these are all the dimensions of these parts and these are the points. Here friends, this is the origin which have 0, 0 coordinates, P0 point. Here friends, this is P1 point which has coordinates 15 comma 15, as we can see here 15 15. Similarly P2 here which has 45 plus 15 60, and this is y is 15, so here 16 comma 15 is the coordinates of point P2. Similarly P3, P4, P5 and P6 coordinates we have been calculated here, and this is the radius of this half circle. So and this is y xy axis and this is xz axis. Friends, this is the question where here we have end mill diameter 6 mm and we need to assume suitable machining parameters here. So as per the question, we have assumed spindle speed and feed. This all that data we have assumed. You can pause the video and can read and understand it easily. So now let's begin with our part programming. Here n0, n1, n2 and so on are the sequence numbers for each programming line. Here n0 to n10 are the mostly common programming lines for each milling program. Here n0 G17 is for principal XY plane selection. N1 G71 is for metric mode programming. N2 G40 is for cancel cutter radius compensation. N3 G80 is for cancel can cycle. Now here friends, N4 G28 U0 V0 W0, this is for friends home position of the tool. In this case friends, tool will return to its home position. Then N5 G91 X0 Y0 Z0, it is G91 is for friends incremental programming. Then N6 G92 here G92 is for friends reset to origin point, that is this is our origin point. Here M06 T1, this is for tool change and index to tool 01 here in this case. N8 G90 is for here friends, G94 is for absolute programming mode. Next G9 G00 X0 Y0 Z0, here this is rapid travel of the tool here, and at X0 Y0 Z0, that is here at the origin. Then N10 G43 M08 H01, here this G43 is for tool length compensation positive on, and M08 is for coolant on. Now we will start the part which is not common in milling part program. Here friends, N11 G00 X12 Y12 M03 S3 1300, here S1300 is the spindle speed in RPM. M03 is for friends spindle on in clockwise direction, and G00 is the rapid tool positioning. Here friends, in this diagram here, the tool from this home position will go X12 Y12, that is here in this position. Tool will be in this position P0 12 12. Next N12 G01 Z-5 F500, here F500 is the feed rate. and G01 is for linear interpolation Z minus 5. That is friends, tool will move downward in a downward direction. That is tool first here, this is tool will be here first during this N11 programming. Now for N12 programming, the tool will be here at minus 12. Tool will go down from this position to this one, and tool will be here at this here to cut here. It will first tool will be here, now tool will be here at in downward direction minus 5, N13 G42 X15 D11. Here friends, we have used here at G42 cutter radius compensation. That is, here we have our cutter diameter as 6, so radius will be here 3. So here first we have our cutter at 12,12. At this point it has length, the radius here 3, and below it is 3. So now see here, our cutter will touch this line when it moves in the rightward direction. So that we have not given here. Why is not given here? As we have used here cutter radius compensation, so cutter is touching, the cutter will touch our part here furthermore, and so here now a cutter will move to till the X15, that is till this point X15, that is cutter will be here. Now X15 cutter will be at this position. Now G01 X60. Here friend, G01 is for linear interpolation as we know, and X60, that is cutter will move from this position to this position now. Then G01 X75 Y30. Here now cutter will move from this position to X75 and Y30. That is cutter will move from this position to this position. Now it is here. Next N16 G01 Y65. Now cutter will move in upward direction in Y direction, as it is plus here. Now cutter is in this position. Next G02 X35 Y65 I minus 20. Here friend, G02 is for clockwise circular interpolation. Here this point is here 35 and 65, and I minus 20, minus 20 is the radius of this semicircle. So now cutter will move from this position to this position and will be here now. Next G03 X15 Y65 I minus 10. Here this Y15 and 65 is at 0.6 here, and this is the radius. And G03 is for counterclockwise circular interpolation. So now cutter will move in this direction like this and will be here now. And G01 Y15. Now cutter will move from this direction to Y15, that is up to this point. Now cutter is here. Next Y15 G00. See here friends, J00 J00 here in this case, because only we have I coordinate here, that is 20 radius and 10 radius in the figure, and J00 is 00 here. Next G00 Z0, that is tool will move upward and will reach here, and G28 U0 V0 W0. Here friends, from G00, that is from this position to this position, common programming lines are, these are the common programming lines from N20 to N30, and these mostly used in all programming, milling part programming. So here now G28 GU0 V0 W0, this is for home position, and G91 here friends from incremental programming. G28 is for here tool return, sorry, it is double here, it is double, this should be cancelled, this is not here, this is also not here, here it is x0 y0 z0, and we will take M05 here. M05 is for spindle off, so this sequence will be 22 23 is here, 24 25 26 27 28. So now here G40 is for friends cancel cutter radius compensation, G80 is for cancel canned cycle, G49 is for tool length compensation off, and M09 is for coolant off, M02 is for program end, and M30 is for end of tape and rewind. So friends, we have learned how to do milling part program in CNC machine. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.